Reasons your agency's cold emails suck, part 5. One of the most important parts of your cold email is your subject line, but this is a thing that a lot of people tend to get wrong. So here are a few examples of subject lines I see all the time and how you can improve them to get a higher response rate. For example, this subject line checking in is beginner level. It doesn't create any urgency in the recipient. They might open your email, read it, and then honestly mark it as unread and move along. This is a mid-level subject line. This subject line gives people a little bit of urgency, but honestly, they might just mark the email as unread and push it off to tomorrow. This subject line, however, creates urgency in the recipient because it's telling them what they're going to miss out on if they don't follow through and take action. For example, let's say you work in influencer marketing. You might say, campaign ending this week, response needed by EOD tomorrow. Or campaign closing, response needed by EOD tomorrow. Let them know what they're missing out on by not following through and taking action, because nobody wants to miss out on a really great opportunity in front of them.